Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. Okay. Let us start now. Started last two session. We just going for a starting of practical session. In this regard, help of the simulator, we just try to make one network design within the campus. And in this regard, as per real structure, we just here make a design uh, router, help of the routers and switches. And last session we just how to allotment of IP in the router, help of the in real world, help of the other laptop, either computer, we can do it. In the simulation we directly click on the router and allotment of IP by the firing some command. Hopefully you are all this uh, router configuration, that means key allotment of IP all are doing very well. If any confusion you can ask. Now starting in the today's session, this is the your project. Yesterday how to allotment of IP on this router. If I move my mouse, there one pop-up screen, fast Ethernet 0 by 0, that is the 3.1/24, and same 0/1. This is the this port, LTTC inside port, LAN main port. This is the 1.1. Okay. So yesterday already how to make IP allotment of this port through the command already done. And one more thing, same thing I still here pending for the remind ki how to make this IP allotment. If I move my mouse here, so you can see in ISP router only fast Ethernet 0/1 link is up. So that means the allotment of this port IP already done. This is the red because this side power supply is on, but another side there is no IP allotment and no power supply is on. So now just for recalling how to allotment of IP, just repeat here. So now this pending IP in this port, how to make it, just click on this router. In the real world, how to configure this router, just take a laptop and connect the console cable and then we can go allotment of IP. But in the simulator, not need to the here showing ki we just take a laptop and connect to the computer router. So just click on their router, go to the CLI and again press enter. Configuration mode, for this is the user mode. For configuration enable, then conf t. Now it is the configuration mode. Just this symbol you can easily understand where you standing in the command prompt. Okay, so now for any configuration definitely we required to go to the configuration mode. So how to go? First enable, then conf t. Now I want to allotment of IP for this port. So this port just interface is INT, simple language. I complete command if I write, tab button use interface, and FA fast Ethernet and 0/0. This is the complete command, but it is iOS operating system. So it is the very most powerful operating system among all other operating system. By default, if write only INT space FA 0/1, it is easy to understand what controller, yeah, what I user want to write here. Okay. So now in the software mode, I'm standing here. So IP allotment for the this port IP add 192.168.3.2 subnet as per our planning, or supply on no shut. And now in the computer science, if I work anything, saving is important. Without saving it, automatically everything will be removed when power loss. Same यहाँ पे in this case do right, that means saving. So now I, and this is a now green. If I move my mouse here, so now you can see here fast Ethernet 0x0, 3.2 and 2.1. Okay. If you are working in your computer, so here he is showing FA0/0, 0/0, 0/1 in the my computer. If your computer not showing, so how to this symbol will be show here. So just go to the again repeat. Already day one informed to how to this option will be showing on your screen. So again I repeat, if not that time, so just go to the option, go to the preference, and there is one pop-up screen is open. In this there is show always, so by default unchecked. So it may be if look like there is no any indication here. So if I here check mark, you can see here this indication is showing. Okay. So how to show this indicate? Just check mark here. Okay. So now a router allotment of IP already done yesterday, and today just I repeat for the one port. The most important in the communication system, without IP address, yeah, you can say if I want to communicate from one person to another person, so definitely I required number, your number, yeah, you from my number. Okay, so same in the data communication system. Yeah, you can say modern communication system. If I want to communicate from one PC to another laptop, another computer, so definitely this PC is also required IP address. This port IP address, no problem, already given. But without IP address, this port is not possible communication. So in this case, how to allotment of IP for this port? Just click on this computer. This is all are the same LAN. Okay, so definitely network ID for the all network is here, and IP range is 1 to 54. One already allotment here. Now remaining 253 number of port, you can allotment of IP in each and every devices. Okay, so you are free. There is no problem. So just click on this computer. If you go to the desktop, IP config, and here allotment manually IP by you. How to go here? Just click on the computer, go to the desktop and IP config, and our here IP allotment as per your wish and available number of IP. So here 192.168.1.1. If I put 1.1, so what problem is here? Because already here this port is given 1.1. So now you can see if this message is showing, this IP is already allotment. So please allot another IP. So 192.168.1.2. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to the maximum 254. Now subnet IP address always without subnet is nothing. So definitely /24. So from left hand side to right hand side, 24 bits are 1. So value in the decimal form by I writing here 2.255.255.255.0. What is the gateway in your college? What is the meaning of gateway in your college in general manner? In your college, you have entry gate and exit gate for you. That is the known as the gateway. Any location where entry and exit gate by the human sense of human any offices, that is known as the gateway. So in this case, what is the gateway? Either this computer, this laptop, yeah, any mobile phone. If I want to sending some information to another location, this location. So in this case, what is the gateway? So how to reach this location? Definitely our computer move from this, go to the switch first number, then go to the router, then go outsider. So the that location where each and every computer out come from own LAN to other network, that known as the gateway. So in this case, this port FA0/1 is the gateway for each and every computer laptop devices. So very clear, again repeat, gateway is nothing. Gateway is the that location where I am sending any information, any communication that location we go outside on LAN. So here whole complete network is the LAN. If I want to go communicate from this laptop to this PC2, so definitely my movement is go to the switch, then go to the router. So this router port is known as the gateway. Either any tablet, any mobile phone, same from this PC2, where is the gateway? This router port is the gateway. So gateway is nothing. You have the three types of router. So any router port, which location we can move from one network to another network. Already again clear. Router one port is the one LAN. Yeah, you can say one network. So here from one port to another port you go. So this is the gateway. This is another gateway. Okay. So now just click here. What is the gateway? What is IP address for this port? This is the gateway 192.168.1.1. Same manner, another gateway this become. I just put two IP address here. Use laptop 0 and PC 0. Here IP address 192.168.1.2 already taken. One already not you can't given because already used as a gateway a router port ID. So you can put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to till 254. Now next is that 192.168. This is the 1.1. So now here is the gateway possible. So now this both computer is the gateway. Okay. IP address. If I move my mouse, so now you can see fast Ethernet, that is FA0, 192.168.1.3, and gateways in this case here, and this is another. Okay. So now my both computer laptop have the IP allotment. This is not allotted. In the next session we discuss how automatic allotment of IP address in this other devices. Okay. So now this computer is for the necessary any types of communication. First basic basic requirement configuration is the allotment of IP. So allotment of IP, without IP allotment, yeah, without IP communication is not possible, sir. If in the digital world, in the current world, if I want to communicate through the internet, so definitely each and every devices required IP address. So in this case, the main IP address allotted to the router port and another user IP, laptop and PC0 allotted by the manually here. Okay. Day very first day, one very important terms discussed with all of you, uh, telecom versus IT, and second terms is the intelligent device, and third term is the smartest device. Okay. So again here repeat just for because that in practical manner you most easy understand. First we discuss telecom versus IT services, and second is that uh, intelligent device. What is the meaning of intelligent devices? This is the sense plus memory. Okay. Then our devices sense memory. Next, this is number 2. And then we become number 3 look path. This is the smart. Smart meaning in that intelligent plus communication. Okay, today IoT is nothing, Internet of Thing is nothing. That is all are known as smart devices because they are all connected to the internet. Every devices who you connect to the internet, that is a smart. Okay, a smartphone, a smart TV. If you connected to the internet, that is now the in the today session, today world, our moving is the artificial intelligence. So what is the meaning of artificial? Earlier, normal telecom simply the new version of communication is known as IT services. Okay, so I think it is very clear all of you. Now in this case, how to migrate from this new communication? First, every devices just move the intelligent devices and then become a smart devices. And today you have listening a lot of word artificial intelligence. So what is the next step of artificial intelligence? What is the artificial intelligence? Anyone can explain in the simple manner again? All are intelligent, no doubt. All are a request to you to all become smart. Okay. We also put the communication. Now all are artificial intelligent. What is the meaning of artificial intelligence in the today scenario? Anyone? Helika, can you explain about this? Are you know about artificial intelligence? What will be actual? What happen in actual in artificial intelligence? Any idea? No, nothing. Is very simple. Basically, this is related to devices, auto sense, and recommendation to user. Intelligent made by the man. लिखा आप पे बोले ना, okay, no problem. Artificial intelligence is nothing. Very similar. What I write here, basically, this is related to the devices. Artificial intelligence not related to the human. It is the basically related to devices, but work on human. Auto sense and recommendation to user. Very simple example. All are aware about YouTube channel. Okay, all are aware, and definitely I also sharing a lot of video in a YouTube channel. Okay, so you just take new computer and new email ID, new Gmail. Generally, YouTube by default support by the Gmail. So suppose you just create new Gmail account and new computer, and in your computer take connect to the internet and open the YouTube channel, youtube.com. Okay. Suppose in the my case, this is the my computer. If I open YouTube, okay, this is my YouTube channel. Okay. So if you open this YouTube channel, first time YouTube channel, there is nothing. This all videos showing to all you. Generally here, welcome first time. First your Gmail ID the first, and your computer is the fresh. There is not earlier use any YouTube channel. So if you open the YouTube channel.com, youtube.com, so definitely there is open welcome like video recommendation. That not because your computer and YouTube don't know who are you, what is your sense. Okay, but in here I am listening daily some my video, some this is a mix. So if I'm searching something, suppose I'm searching KKS device, suppose. Okay, and search. So here I all video might come inside. Okay, these all video related to the me. If I open anyone, suppose this is open. So what happened? This video is actual search and open by me, but recommendation video is here. That video is showing what you see day by day. All is here. You can see here. So your YouTube channel have artificial intelligence feature by the software manner. If anyone searching YouTube channel, so next time if you open YouTube channel, by default you are continuously which channel you search, that related recommended video showing on your screen. Very simple manner. So your YouTube channel is artificial intelligence feature. It is automatically understand that this Gmail ID and this computer by default. Suppose this is just a new channel one. So automatically first line is showing new channel recommendation. If anybody want to the listening a lot of music and Tamil music, so Tamil like video will be showing there. So you are in and out from the south. So just you open your YouTube. So what will be open, because you related to the south, you are Gmail account normally each and everything sending message related to the south. So hit definitely your YouTube channel will showing all videos, all related message related to the South India. So this is the artificial intelligence auto sensed by the devices, auto sensed by the your software Gmail account. So artificial is nothing. It is just human sense, human thinking, and automatically recommended in the case of the YouTube. And same if you go for the Google search. Google search. So here by default you can say Hindi, Bangla, Marathi. Here a recommendation. Why this offer? How to come? Due to the artificial intelligence. Because my first preference is Hindi, then second preference is the my related to the Bangla, then my third preference is the Marathi and other. If you are searching, so your recommendation will be here in this your local language. Okay. So this is the artificial nothing, any devices that auto sense human what he want. So this is the upcoming future. If I just enter in the room, so by default I in AI AC. So just enter in the room. So your body just want to only 32 degrees centigrade temperature, 22 degrees centigrade. So by default you don't make manually your AC temperature manage. It is automatically your past experience, your past work setting by automatically it temperature value be managed. Okay, so this is the artificial intelligence. Okay, now come become in this case here already allotment of IP. So now why discuss about this earlier before 10 year back, one more device in place of hub switch is hub is important. This is the hub, this device is the hub, and this device is the switch. So 10 year back we can that time use hub in place of the switch, because that time hub price is only 1000, below 1000. This is the rate that time hub. But in the today time, and switch is very high cost. Just write that proper, then you can easily. 10 year back. Year back, hub is most popular in place of switches due to because number one, low price. Normally below 1000, and okay, and same time switch very high cost, at least 15,000 10 year back. But in today all switch just below very low price, and its price will be replaced hub. But in the today time hub is nothing, any location you can see that is huge, because in the rate of hub, in the cost of hub, we can use switch today. Switch normally available now 400 rupees, 500, 1000, 2000, 10,000. In this same rate will be available switch in the below rate. Okay, so today we can everywhere you can see switches now. But question is that the switch rate is high. Why in the earlier time? Earlier time because switch is known as the intelligent device. Ab is non-intelligent device. Which is the intelligent device. Because it has sense plus memory. Which have sense and memory. How only have sense, no memory. Only sense. No memory. Now here we go for practically understand what is difference between switch. So by default, technically, anybody asks to you what is the difference between hub and switch, and switch is more secure. So because switch is a sense and memory, that means intelligent device. Hub is the non-intelligent device because it has only sense, there is no memory. So for understanding in the practical here we can use the switch currently in this job ad, but you can also replace by the hub, there is no problem. But what is the difference here practically we can see here. Before I showing some practical for you, just one thing remember, just one example given to all of you. Suppose in your classroom there are 30 students and I come as a faculty member first time in your classroom. When I went in going to in your classroom, your college director just call me and give me one envelope and told me ki you go in the classroom and announce me this envelope is the related to the Bhanumati and hand over to her. And I'm just saying, okay, sir. I'm first time reach in the class. I don't know who is the Bhanumati, and Bhanumati also don't know who I am. Okay. Just I enter in the classroom and introduce all of students. I am your new faculty member. My name is ABCD, and I just announcement Bhanumati. So listen everything this name, but who is the response? Only Bhanumati. So that is Bhanumati. I am saying to Bhanumati, this envelope given by the principal, given by the director, it's for you and hand over to her. That's okay, no problem. But after some days, same cheese repeat. But already now aware who is the Bhanumati because I am human. So I also remember it possible who is Bhanumati. So again, director give the one envelope and again told me, please this envelope hand over to Bhanumati in the classroom. So now in the second time when I reach in the classroom, I don't announce anything. I know who is the Bhanumati. Just I go to the nearby Bhanumati and hand over to envelope Bhanumati again. And in this case, it is not need to broadcast any message. I just receive one packet from one envelope from the director. Just it personal level, I directly hand over to Bhanumati. Okay. So this because human is intelligent device. So same scenario is applicable in the communication system. The first time doesn't matter. Here switch either hub. If you are going first time, very first time, just if I want to send packet from PC 0 to laptop 0, first time, okay. So either use here switch, either use hub, there is no problem because both are the unknown who is the laptop, where is the laptop. So in this case, this device, either switch, either hub, broadcast this message every devices. Just look here, kaise, how? Go to the switch don't know where is the laptop 0. In this case, is sending this packet every location, router, another thing. So all are deny, but this is accept, this deny, accept. And again, this accept laptop inform, go to the switch. This is okay. Again is sending to PC0 and P okay, no, this is the right person. So again, packet is going there and come to the laptop and hand over to the laptop, and result will be can show here you in my mouse and acknowledge and hand over. This is successful. Doesn't matter first time either hub, either switch, both are the similar work. There is because they don't know anything. But after some time, now clean. Now if I go for the second time communication, or here in this case I use the switch. Switch is the here switch is the intelligent device. So he also have memorized thing. So already one type communicated. So he automatic memorize where is the laptop. So in this case, what happened if I sending second time? So now check. Now switch is very well aware where is the laptop 0. So directly send to the laptop 0. Don't send other location and hand over to the laptop and come back and acknowledge to the PC0. In this case, successful. So what you see here, intelligent device, which is the intelligent device because after first communication, it automatically remember their adjacent network devices, users, and second time by default and a secure manner directly send to the information to the desired devices. So you can say which is the fast, which is the fast and more secure because second time no nothing, but first time behavior of the both are the same. So now IP address is allotment session same time PC0. What IP address? Because without IP address we can't possible to communicate. So now IP address 192.168. In this case, this is the 2.0, 2.1 not given because if I try to given this is message because already 2.1 given to the this port. So now I give 192.168 2.2, 192.168 2.1. Okay. So now allotment of IP every user. This is not allotted because I just leave it for the next session. Okay, but this allotted. So now I sending packet from PC0 to router. This is the successful. One PC to laptop. This is the successful. If PC2 to the this router, this is the successful. From one router to another router. Again try. This is a successful. So if I sending this is one network. If I sending from this sending, this okay. If I want try to the this computer, this is deny because there is no IP address PC1. Okay. If I want to communicate from this computer to another computer, this is the fail. From this computer to another. If I sending this PC to this PC successful. If I try to PC2 to this router, this is the fail. Okay. The conclusion is that in the own location, own LAN, if I configure any network setup and they are communicate to each other without any problem. So that is the simply known as LAN configuration and no issue. But if I go communication my PC laptop outside the campus, so there is the very big rules regulation. Without rule regulation, you can't communicate from one LAN to another LAN. So this rule regulation will be the next session, routing protocol, how to what types of rules regulation available if I want to communicate from one location to outside location. So now in the today's session, we just discussed allotment of IP address is the completed. Please request to all of you, please make this packet tracer project on your computer. And if any problem, so please share your screen and sort out the issue. Okay. And also response ki, are you understand getting my point? Yes, yeah, no. Okay. Now today up to the till time day 1, 2, and 3 for the practical session. Connection between the networks allotment of IP router through the command and computer. Any problem, please ask. One router, if directly connected, because both are the same, so it will be communicate. First time it may be fail, but you try second time it will be communicate, because both are the same network. If you are there not communicate, definitely you have some configuration issue. Now try. Okay. You try first and I go very slow one by one, because I want to make in the end of the complete this configuration with the security aspect. It will be take to 4, 5, 6 session maximum practical, and then also between some like this key 0 by 0, what is the meaning of the 0 by 0 will be discussed also time to time. So I just try your session practical come theory, first practical also then theory. Okay. So see you again tomorrow. Please configure this network project, and also request to, if you go our laptop computer, so it use the internet in your laptop, and it is easy. You can also share your desktop computer, laptop. Any problem, I directly sort out in your network in computer. Okay, anyone you can do. All are for friend, no problem. So anyone kindly do it at least. So definitely one project is ready for all of you. Have a nice day. Tomorrow again see all of you. Any question you can ask. Okay, thank you.